What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. Today we got a new video, and this video is demonstrating our residential and commercial window tinting service. This is a residential building that we're tinting. We're going to be installing GeoShield Ultra 70, which is a clear window film designed for commercial and residential window tinting. This film has a 88% of IR rejection, meaning it keeps the entire interior cooler. And of course, before we install, we're gonna clean all the windows. For this project, we did about 44 windows, and this was an all-day event. And they weren't big windows; they were, they were decent-sized windows, but there were just plenty of them. Our process of installing window film is cleaning first. If there's any existing window tint on it, we're gonna have to remove everything, and then from there we can get into the installation. Cleaning involves the scraping of the glass, scrubbing down of the glass, and then making sure everything is free of any embedded contaminations, debris, and also noting any deep scratches or damage on the windows. These windows have gone through Typhoon Mawar, and that's a typhoon that hit Guam pretty hard, and now all the windows have a seal fracture, so that's something we had to document down. And the seal fractures probably were caused by all the pressure from the typhoon. Once everything is nice and clean, we're gonna start installing the window tint. Of course, just like automotive window film, we have to spray squeegee spray, and then we can start installing the windows. I'm gonna show you two types of ways to install window tint on flat glass. One is called the back roll method, and that's basically putting the film on the glass, pulling the liner out, spraying it, covering it back with the liner, and rolling it back up, turning it around, and rolling it onto the window for installation. This is a preferred method if you're doing this solo. It also helps keep contamination low, but of course, explain it to the customer that contamination comes from the house itself. This is not a new house. This house is also being renovated, so there's a lot of dust everywhere, so we have to ensure everything was clean. There is minor trimming involved. Not all windows are cut precisely to the window. We have to make it at least a quarter of a size bigger, just to ensure that we get a seamless install. I will show you another method. This is a two-man method where one holds the film itself, the other guy pulls the liner off, and then once you pull the entire liner off the window tint, you can spray it down with the soapy water and then put it on the window. That method is preferred when the window is nice and hot. If it's super nice and hot, you want to oversaturate the window with slip solution, baby soap and distilled water. And if, like I mentioned, if the window is super hot, then put a lot so that way it doesn't get stuck to the glass quick. It allows you to maneuver the film to get it in place before you lock it down and remove any of those excessive waters. The curing process for window tint on commercial and residential side is the same as automotive. It takes about 5 to 7 days, of course, but for an actual full curing process, it will be an entire month. Any bubbling, water trapped behind the film will definitely evaporate through the curing time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely one of those videos where we're just showing you how we work. And if you guys are interested in our commercial window tinting services or for residential window tinting services, please give us a call. And just for your information, this is a tax write-off, so for you business people, we like tax write-offs. Don't forget to like and subscribe and continue following our channel as we continue to push out new videos. Like I said, this is just a start to finish. We did 44 windows in this residential building. If you guys check the description down below, you'll find all our contact information down there as well. If you want us to come out to your place, we can definitely do an in-person assessment, get some measurements, and put a proposal together for you. Here's that method where you use two people, one to pull the liner off and saturate the film, and to saturate the windows. As you see, the sun is beaming in this place, so we have to oversaturate the windows to ensure that the window tint does not get stuck when we are trying to install it on the windows. We've experienced before when the windows are too hot, the adhesive will stick immediately to the glass and you would need to change the window film. So to minimize that, put a lot of soap and water. It doesn't hurt. The more soap, the better. And here you go, folks. This is the last video of demonstrating a back roll style. Like I said, this is where you peel the liner off, you place it back onto the window tint, trapping the moisture in between the film and the glass, or the film and the liner. You do the same thing to the bottom. It gets a little tricky pulling the liner, but of course through experience you're able to get it. And then once the liner and the window tint is saturated, you want to roll it back up, roll it nice and tight, so that way you can start rolling it onto the glass. You turn it around, liner is now facing towards me. Spray squeegee spray to ensure remove any loose debris that is stuck on the glass. Saturate the window with our soapy water. As you see, I'm oversaturating it because the window's nice and hot. Now I'm placing the window tint on the glass, and the liner is on the opposite side. See, I just pulled it off, and then from there you want to ensure you get the proper placement, lock it in, and then squeegee all the moisture out. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a long one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all on the next video. Don't forget to check the description down below if you're interested in any of our commercial window tinting or residential window tinting service. Like I said, we do free quotations, and we look forward to seeing everyone out there.